What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Alex. Drew McIntyre, wrestler, WWE, dressed like Kano from Mortal Kombat. What an entrance. WrestleMania 41. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. We'll go to fast. We're going to start with his face. 3/4 pose. Looking up. This is the image he sent me. So, let's see. Head is in. Yeah, head is in the top half, right? So we'll go with his top eyelid line first, and he's kind of looking up. So we'll go diagonal, across, and then down. Very severe looking gentleman. Wouldn't mess with him. And then we have like a tear duct here. And then his eye comes underneath. Very dark in here. Right, so he's kind of like looking up. Just carve it around there. And then the pupil. Kind of like that, right? He's got like bags underneath his eyes and stuff. So then his eyebrow, so he's got like a frown here, and then the eyebrow sort of follows that. Sort of around and down. It's pretty hairy. Okay. So his nose, got like a nose line there, just like a wrinkle coming across it. And his other eye is like in behind the nose, but we'll go out for the tip of his nose, around, down to there. And then this goes around this way. And then you get like his nostril in here. Put a bit of a shadow in it. And the nostril on the other side goes like out this way. And then you get the skin of the nose there. And the other side that way. Right, and then his other eye, so just here beside the bridge of the nose. Go up, across, down, in. And he's got those eyelid shapes again. Bottom eyelid. Like that. Right, and then he's looking up and to the left, so we'll go here. And then the pupil. So you don't have to do a full circle. Sometimes if you leave a little white highlight, it can look a bit better. But kind of like that. And then eyebrow here. curving around like that. And then we've got like some bags underneath the eye. Okay. So, big beard on him, right? So his mouth, like downturned. Very sort of cranky looking. Right, and then his mustache comes out around his top lip, right? Right, very hairy beard there. And then this hangs down over his chin, so it goes the whole way down. And then goes up for his sideburn, and then back down. And his face comes up this way, so it's like his cheekbone kind of. It goes up to his eyebrow, and then the forehead. Right, he's got a pretty big forehead. Goes back, and then we meet sort of his hairline here. Very long hair then, sort of just all hanging down. Right, his ear is kind of in line with the corner of his eye, like here, and then in line with his mouth, so like there. Yeah. Some ear lines inside. Okay, so we can see like the back of his neck here, but it kind of becomes sort of his hair as well. So like neck muscle here and here, but then we get like hair spikes kind of on both sides, because he's got this really long sort of black hair. Okay. So long hair on that side. We can see some of the long hair on this side as well. So it kind of like comes out from behind his face, sort of here. Okay. Now, so this sort of armor stuff that he wears. So, like, top of his chest muscles are here. These two neck muscles always go into the top of your chest. Center line for his chest to be there. And then these, like, hit his jacket somewhere there. There. So he's got, like, it's nearly like fish or dragon skin, you know. This is like the inside of his jacket. What a character this guy looks like. He looks insane. Right, these are like his chest muscles. And then he's got Kano's Mortal Kombat thing. Do you think he knows it's from Mortal Kombat, or did he? Was it just like in the costume section and he liked the look of it? All these straps. Sort of edge lines and stuff, and then the bottom of his chest here, and then his stomach sort of going that way. Right, so like armor and that, like fur even. So there's like a fur sort of thing here. And then it's armor, right? So he's got like an armor plate, right? Sits on his shoulder here. Okay. And then, so this has some layers to it. So it like goes this way. And then we get some spikes. You do as many of these spikes now as you want. Now can I see 1, 2, 3 coming off the back, and maybe like a couple inside here as well. And then, so this jacket goes that way. Then his arm is like there. And this has got like some sort of like scales like this. Now you can draw all of them, or you know, just like layer them up kind of like this. Just give a sort of a feel for it. You know, you could go do as much as you want. Don't have to draw everyone. And then his jacket on this side, so it's like some of the scales sticking up, and then it hangs down. So it's like an edge. And then the armor. So it's all spiky again, but you see the armor here. It's kind of in a different position to the other one, so you can't see as many spikes. And then those sort of fish scale things. Dragon. Dragon's cooler, so it's probably dragon. Drew McIntyre's WrestleMania 41 entrance. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.